Hey everyone, my name's Kiki Fontenot with the LSU Ag Center, and I'm here today to talk to you guys about blackberries. We're standing right here in front of Brazos, which is a cultivated blackberry. You can see it has large fruit size on it, which is very nice, and you're going to see an abundance of green, red, and black fruit on this shrub right here. Of course, the blacker it is, the sweeter and the more ripe it is. Now, you guys might be wondering what's the difference between this and what you're seeing alongside the roadsides, right? Well, along the roadsides, the colloquial term for that is dewberries, and they're just a different species of blackberries. They're still delicious, very safe, very good to eat for you. It just so happens that wildlife eat most of them. When you go and you pick the dewberries along the side of the road, you're gonna know they're different because instead of being upright, like this shrub right here, they're very trailing or low growing. The other difference between them is when you go to pick a dewberry and you touch the fruit, usually you're gonna have red stains on your hand versus this cultivated blackberry right here, Brazos, I can touch it and it's not gonna come all apart in my hand, the fruit. So that's one of the reasons why these were cultivated. Bigger berry size, better flavor, difference in maturing, things of that nature. Now, if we walk down just a little bit, we can see that there's various types and varieties of blackberries here at the Hill Farm on campus. And this is a great one right here. This is Apache. Apache, you guys, is a wonderful one for the backyard. So if you're thinking about planting these right now, especially while we're all quarantined at home, check this out. There is not a single thorn on the cane. This is wonderful if you have children because you don't have to worry about them crying and getting stuck by thorns, or even for some of us adults, we don't like that. Now, you might be thinking, but I want the one with all the black fruit. Don't worry, this will all mature. The great thing about having different blackberries in your backyard is it extends your season. So this one, Apache, comes out a little bit later. You're still gonna have a very nice fruit load on this shrub. You just gotta wait a little bit longer for it. So if you have any blackberry questions, please go to the LSU Ag Center website. We have lots of great information on this fruit.